especially with men.
Yeah, so basically, when I entered the fashion world, I thought that, men were not given that much of importance. They were always treated as props. So, then I decided that why not come with a concept which focuses and portrays more on men. And hence I came up with a high fashion men calendar, wherein I thought that I'll give them an opportunity to be, taken in all the pageants across the world. And even in Mr. India's, most of my models were picked up, Hence this concept of Illusiona High Fashion Men Calendar.
So was it easy during the, we all have gone through a tough time in 2020 and it's a good start with 2021. How easy or difficult was it to sail through putting the shoot together, getting the right faces?
Okay, so now 2020 was the toughest year, not just for me, I think for everybody. And me and Amit, I think we have faced it throughout the year, and Amit would be the right person to tell you what all went through both of us.
Amit, the calendar, we just had a sneak peek, it looks lovely. So what were the difficulties that you faced and how easy or difficult was it to put this together?
Well, honestly speaking, firstly, all men say that nobody speaks about us and nobody cares for us. But here Illusiona is actually speaking for the men, and it talks about the pressures that they face in society, which is being masculine is the biggest pressure that men today face. But they think that men cannot cry, men cannot be scared. I think our calendar gives them the freedom to be themselves however they are. So that's a great start to 2021. Obviously 2020 was a very difficult year for all of us. We all went through a lot of personal obstacles, and obviously the entire world was facing COVID. But in our calendar, we did not want to speak about the difficult times because we are letting them go behind us. This is a fresh beginning for a brilliant year and for a brilliant years actually to come. So it was very difficult. I got COVID and Runa had to postpone the shoot, and there were other problems that had come up as well. But I think that today we are standing here so proud of each and every person who's contributed immensely to this calendar, and we are presenting Illusiona 2021. We finally made it, we finally did it, and well, hopefully 2021 will be a better year for everyone around the world.
So Runa, the talent which is featuring on the calendar, we would like to know about that.
So we have all the good names from the industry this year, and I would not like to disclose the name right now. Once we unveil the calendar, we will show you who all are there in the calendar. Coming to the theme of the calendar this year, we depict different emotions of men. And when we were conceptualizing Create in Young, Dhaval is from the agency, we both sat together, we decided as to what concept we would come up with, and all the three of us, Amit, Dhaval and me, we came up with this concept called where we decided that we should portray different emotions of men. As Amit rightly mentioned that men cannot cry, men cannot be sensitive or overprotective, so we showed different emotions of men in the calendar. Dhaval, add to it.
We started this whole assignment in the month of December, and we had something in our mind where we wanted to describe exactly what men is all about. And when we started pouring those words, what men can do, and suddenly we have lot of narration happening, lot of description happening for men. And that's where Amit, we were sitting down and we said, okay, let's get to those wonderful words which can relate with a person who's a man, and then design the whole concept around that itself. So that's the way we went through a different journey altogether to get this whole calendar this time.
I think when it comes to men and makeup, usually, you just see like a little bit of base and bronzer and nothing much. You just think that, it's their own skin. But with this calendar, I think my creativity has been pushed to another level because, Amit had, an idea that, he wanted to take this calendar to the next level in terms of creativity where, of course, with the various moods that he has shown, but also in terms of hair and makeup. Like, for example, with Sushant, I had to turn him into a boy as well as a girl at the same time. So there, makeup-wise, there was a lot of creativity that was required. And then, there is one month where they have 3 men with full face painting, which shows artsy. So we've done that also. So it's pretty creative. Once you guys will have a look at the calendar, I'm sure you'll realize that there is a lot more in terms of makeup that we've done on men.
Your favorite look?
I think the three boys with the face paint, I think that turned out really stunning. And of course Sushant's, his the female version of him looked absolutely stunning.
Styling, and I'm sure it must have been.
See, calendars like these don't come by every day. And when they do, they in fact challenge the potential of every designer. They in fact challenge everybody's potential. So yeah, it wasn't easy, but it was fun. And I felt about this concept was a fabulous concept. So I wanted to give a platform or an outlet to men to express their myriad sentiments. Because all these facets in their personality can exist. Men can be protective, men can be caring. And so the image of my brand, that is Dapper and Dare, I call it as D&D, it is to dramatically alter the world of fashion. And we like to cater and nurture to men from all walks of life with different ideologies and goals. So here doing a different emotion just gave me that platform to showcase my clothes in a never seen before light.
And your favorite thing?
There are two in fact. One, Terence. Terence's look was fab. We just gave him one simple white lycra jumpsuit and he pulled it off. And the other one is Vikas Verma, where he's all like high fashion with this blue velvet jumpsuit, and then he has a sequins jacket on that, and the way he poses, amazing. So they've done justice to the looks.
Very grateful to be a part of this calendar because we're celebrating diversity within men, and I just came out for the third time as gender fluid. So I identify as a non-binary person, which basically means that my pronouns are he, she, they. So a lot of people, look at me and they wonder what they want to call me. I mean, what they should call me, whether they should refer to me as he, she, or something else. And I think that this calendar very beautifully portrays the diversity within one person and as well as other people. So I think it's just amazing to see such celebration of humanity in the calendar, and I am portraying androgyny, which I usually do I've been doing for 14 years now, and so I'm just happy that I'm representing a part of the community, which is the LGBTQI+ community, at such a level. And alongside Terence, who I used to work for when I was like 16 and 17, and I was a trainer with him, so it's amazing to work with Terence again, and Terence is always lovely and he's very supportive, and hats off to Amit for putting all of us together, and the team Rishabh, and the stylists and the makeup artists, the hairstylists, and Runa. Of course, Runa has done a fabulous job as well, making us all laugh through the whole process. If this is too much English, I can speak 5 more languages. Just saying. You have to just stop me and say, Ata Marathit bola.
So what wishes would you like to give to everyone that 2020 has been really a bad year for all of us?
2020 is cancelled. 2020 is cancelled from the calendar. So I am still 29 because of that. I will decide when I turn 30. And 2021 is definitely going to be a better year. And I hope that everyone takes care and is precautious. Just be safe, not only for yourself but also for people around you.
What has been, what was the experience like shooting for Illusions?
For the calendar?
Yes.
Well, this was my first time that I ever went for a calendar shoot. When Runa told me, I was wondering what a male calendar is all about, because so far all my experience has been on the female calendars. So initially I didn't take her seriously. I went there hoping there's nothing much going to happen, but it was a very different experience. Every minute of it I enjoyed, and then she had to shoo me away, saying, go, the other person is coming. So I had to leave that place, but overall, an awesome experience.
So September is the month you're featuring in. What is the kind of flamboyance that you're exhibiting?
Well, come September, it's always been a great month to have because the rains are getting over, and it's a nice time to celebrate. September has a very special occasion because I started my business also in the month of September, and I'm hoping Runa does what she promised me. She's going to make a rocking calendar. I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen today, and I'm very excited as much as she is. Thank you.
We would even want him to tell us his association of Zycom with the fashion calendar.
Well, you know, we are a security brand, and security is a very serious business. It is not a glamour business. So when she told me, Pramod, you need to sponsor, I said, hey, listen, this is all serious stuff. Murder, crime, blood, all that. She said, no, but you should get associated glamour. It will make it much better. So since we have high regards and respect for her, but today when I look back, I think our decision was right. It is a good thing to be associated glamour because nobody's interested in serious stuff. Everybody is interested in glamour and fashion.
Yeah.
So thank you, Runa, for that. And I know we didn't pay you much, but we are getting a lot of value out of that for sure.
और ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इस बार ध्यान मर्दों पे दिया जा रहा है. जनरली कैलेंडर पे औरतें सेक्सी औरतें होती हैं, बहुत ही वेरी ग्रेट बॉडी, ऑल दैट. तो हाँ, तो फाइनली एक कैलेंडर है जहाँ पे हम मर्द भी फीचर हो सकते हैं. But on a serious note, I just like the idea and the concept about men who have achieved something in their lives, and I'm very honored to be a part of the group of people who are also being selected. हर एक ने बहुत अपने लाइफ में वो मकाम पाया है जो यूनिक है, जो अलग है, जिसका अनोखा अंदाज है, and I think we need to celebrate that. So yeah, it was a celebration, of life, and it gives inspiration to the other people also. So I'm very happy to partner up with Runa and do this calendar with Amit. He's a brilliant photographer, as we all know. And thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah, Terence is on the cover of the calendar, and he's depicting the creativity. So Amit will tell us, have you seen the calendar?
I haven't. I'm going to show you. I haven't.
So basically, Terence is portraying the emotion of being creative yet ambitious. I think I don't need to say why is Terence depicting that particular emotion. He's fabulous. And I would just like to say that even when we were shooting his shot, he had a little bit of a back problem, and he had to do all those stunts and jump and everything. And not for once did he make us feel that he's not comfortable. But I think it's always been a pleasure, interacting with Terence, to work with him. I think he's one of he poses better than most of the models. He is stunning. I mean, he's got a perfect body, and he's just fabulous in front of the camera. It's always a pleasure clicking with him.
I really wanted to mention one thing, that when Terence was there and we were like, makeup taiyar karo, and he was one person with the calendar who did not need one single touch up or a makeup on his face. He was completely, costly, skinny and amazing.
Thank you. Actually, the idea was to get the job done fast. Makeup would have taken 45 minutes more. I said, ऐसे ही काम चला लो. Thank God for that. कुछ टेढ़ी है. Thank you. Wow, that's a calendar. Wow, that's a big one. Oh, amazing. That's me. Yes. Thank you, Amit. You make me look fabulous.
Looking great, and these are the poses that I was talking about. He actually did this with all the pain and everything that he was facing that day. I think he's fabulous.
फिर बाद में मलम कसना पड़ा. It was it was painful, but it's all well that ends well. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, they are the ones behind the printing of the calendar.
Fabulous. I like the quality. I love the fact that it's matte finish and emotions.
And I think every emotion's got different aspects. Every aspect has got different kind of fashion. And this is a very good initiative, and Runa has taken this time, taking these men with different emotions, because like people say globally, or it is understood that only women is the one who shows a lot of emotion, but there are emotional men also, which I think depicted in the calendar. Though I have not seen the calendar, I'm just waiting for it to come. But I'm sure the faces which she's taken are from very different kind of fields, and they are actors, they are LGBT people, and I think that's the best thing, which she has taken initiative of taking different people from different fields and making her calendar so successful. And she's a very hardworking, because I know when she did one calendar, I was on a teaser cover, and she did a very, very great job. And I wish you all the best, Runa. Keep on doing good things, because there are less people. Like everybody says, because women plays a very important role. Women is a glam quotient to the society. Women, everything. but Runa is the only woman who's taken an initiative of launching a men's calendar, which is a very, very good thing. And because I think men also are very glamorous. Men also need that kind of attention what women needs. And I think so. I wish her all the best, and I'm sure next calendar will be better than this one. I think so. The kind of platforms we all are, and the kind of color palette we all are using, men are becoming very experimental these days. Though they are changing, the mindset is changing. They are more experimental. They are more ready to take any challenges. Before they were very old school. Before they used to have only one silhouette, but now they are ready to go out there and try new experiments. Like designers like me and other designers, I'm not naming them, have come up with a very different kind of collection. They are so. I don't think so now. Things are the way we are, heading towards, and I think they all are changing their mindset. They are ready to explore. They're ready to experiment. They're ready to try different cuts and different silhouettes, and they are becoming very fashionable. But yes, except a few men, which is little old school. But most of the men, like Ranveer Singh, is a very good example. Like he has set up a benchmark where how fashion is all about. From the old avatar, they never cared for how people can troll him, but his trolling gives him strength to try something very different. So I think so. These are the beautiful examples which have been set globally that men are becoming very experimental. Thank you so much, Dr. Jerry. Okay, that's Terence. Very nice. Oh, that's cute.
This is Ruslan. This is 8 months.
That's very cute.
He's Vishal Pandey.
Yes. The TikTok guy.
Yes.
I know him.
Vikas.
Very nice.
These are from different films. Tapan is a very good actor. Vishal Pandey. He is a pilot and he's a creative editor.
Very nice.
Khanna in 2012. I started my journey. I think I'm back here again in 2021. Starting again with Amit Khanna. I'm featured in the month of May, which I like, and I'm looking really good. This is my new look for my new film. So ये मेरा look, मेरे नए pictures, मेरे नए calendar और May के month में है. And I think I'm lucky again to be shot by Amit.
So you mix up eating meat and then losing because कितना difficult is it?
Very difficult. Actually, you have to stop eating, then you have to start eating again. So actually, जब आपके पास खाने को बहुत होता है and you can't eat, it's very difficult. So for the roles, I'm getting thin, then I'm getting bulky again. So I think it's hard.